Hi, this is Tim with Topps Paving and Drainage. Today we're replacing this existing sewer inlet with a much larger inlet. The asphalt around the existing inlet was patched a couple of years ago, and it simply didn't hold because of the manhole is bigger than the sewer inlet, which created a gap between the two structures. As you can see the gap between the inlet and the manhole, you can also see the manhole was constructed with bricks. This is common practice with older manholes. We always have to plan on repairing or replacing some of the bricks after the old inlet is removed. The old inlet was called a 2-grate stone. The new inlet we're going to install later on in this video is called a 4-grate stone. The old sewer inlet had two 30 by 50 ductile iron grates. The new inlet will have four 30 by 15 ductile iron grates. Here's a picture of two different types of sewer inlets, both with ductile iron grates. The ductile iron grates are used for heavier traffic loads. One on the left is a trench drain, which we installed going across the entire width of a road. The one on the right is a single grate stone, which we would install in a small area along a road or a area parking lot with heavy traffic. When we're talking about heavier traffic, we're referring to semis and trash trucks. Old inlet we removed always had a car parked on it, and it was also on a downhill grade. That inlet had ductile iron grates, and because of the constant pressure, using ductile iron grates was the right decision. I want to show you a picture of galvanized grates. These are typical grates found in most parking lots with normal traffic flow. This is Shane bringing over the 4-grate stone. It's Mark on the left and Alan just stepping over the inlet. Jeff in the background there. A lot of our employees have been with us for quite a while. The other employee coming up here that you don't see right now, his name's Luke. He's actually Shane's brother. parking lot has been paved over a couple of times, you will begin to see where cars, trucks, and trailers are now beginning to scrape the asphalt around the sewer inlets, simply because the inlets are now sitting lower in the parking lot. In this case, we will first remove the old inlet and then install riser rings to help raise up the new inlet before it's installed.
Here we're going to need a couple of them in spots right here, broken in pieces, just to hold the final. And a small piece here.
Not only do we replace and install new sewer inlets, we also install trench drains, channel drains, French drains, culvert pipes, yard drains, and factory floor drains. We also provide erosion control, gabion ditches. Gabion is another word for riprap, dry creek beds, retention and detention pond maintenance and repair. We work 7 days a week, so if this is the only option for your project, we can certainly provide you this service. We do residential drain systems, so if you work during the week, we can do this as well for you on a Saturday or Sunday. We find this works best with the customer being home so they can see exactly what's being done. Also, it helps to get the customer's opinion when it comes to how something may look aesthetically. Now, when it comes to the asphalt side of our business, we offer milling, paving, parking lot overlays, patching, curbing, curb repair, concrete wheel stops, ballards, speed bumps. We also provide seal coating, hot pour crack filling, in-house parking lot striping while being ADA compliant. So if you're looking to get a free estimate, please give us a call at 314-333-4444. We will then take your information and pass it on to an experienced estimator who will be more than happy to provide you a detailed estimate. We not only provide a detailed written scope work, but also job site photos and an aerial view of the site plan. If you're an out-of-town property manager, we also may provide you video and even offer FaceTime communication while we are walking your job site.
Alright, start making them 2x2.
We just sweep up around this thing real quick, real good.
Yeah.
Pour all around it and turn it back.
We're going to install the ductile iron grates, and we're just going to reinstall 2 of the old inlet grates and then 2 brand new ones.
Alright, get in there to do that. I heard you.
So as we get close to finishing this project, thanks so much for watching. To the customer, once again, thanks so much for the business. We greatly appreciate it. If you enjoyed the video, please give us a thumbs up and hit subscribe at the end. And now for my favorite part, if you'd like to leave a comment, please do so. The comments I love to print out and pass them along to the crew. It goes a long way in making somebody's day. Thanks again. The next video I'll be showing is going to be milling and paving a parking lot. Bye-bye.
Stop all over me.
Cut.
Huh? Oh, I'm just